the Fat Control's engine, we like it here on the Northwestern Railway. We learn to work, play, get along, and once in a while, whenever there's someone bad that threatens to deploy us or our railway, us floater engines are always ready to take them on. These are the stories of the island.
And FYI, guys, I'm remaking another. I'm remaking. FYI, guys, I'm remaking an episode of season 2. Guys, I was actually experimenting with the intro throughout all of season 2. It was early one morning. Rheneas was told to take a passenger train and the non-twin express all in one day. But did our number 2 do it? And guys, I really wanted to make that episode 12 of season 2. I wanted to completely remake it. Get like what I did with the Coley Fell video. And where is, well, Peter Salmon, Sir Handel or House at Work, I will heal. Well, this episode going to be titled the same, just with Rheneas instead of Garlowe. Because I really wanted to give Rheneas a spotlight episode in season 2. I really wanted to give Rheneas a spotlight episode. Rheneas did what he normally would do. He picked up his passenger from the station. But then, as he was leaving Croven Gate, he felt a very sharp clang. Oh no! I had broken down, said Rheneas, and he was just outside the station. But he didn't want to give up. He didn't want the prince passenger to be mad. So there was an awkward hissing sound heard when you were there. I'm only going to use some episodes of the TV show for reference. Even though Rheneas felt sick, a very large pain in his boiler, he carried on with the train. He said, pain is no game. I'm doing it. And he was so worried about him breaking down. And the driver, on the other hand, was looking at Rheneas' system and said, Rheneas, what? You're enough. If we don't stop soon, your boiler could blow up. And Rheneas didn't hear a driver because he was the one that saved the Galloway. As he even went faster, his driver tried to stop him. As he tried to stop him any way he knew how. He tried to shut off steam and apply the brake. It didn't work. But then Rheneas remembered why there was an, which is why this episode is going to be titled Rheneas Triumphs, because the boiler ate. Or something. And Rheneas remembered as he stopped for me. And Rheneas said, "Driver, what would Mr. Percival think of me? Exactly the same driver for God lowering he will." And Rheneas said, "Driver, do you not know that I was the one that single-handedly saved this entire railway from going bankrupt a few years back?" "Yes." "So why do you have a problem with me on train?" "Because my mommy said, enough about that. You're a grown-up man." Whoops. I meant to stop at that station. Good job, Rheneas. Guys, I'm just gonna have the original name of the episode. But instead of Garlowe, it's gonna be Rheneas. I really wanted to give, and I know it doesn't fit well with season 2 logic because they weren't on the, because they didn't want to rebuild until season, literally at the start of season 4 Infinite Map. But even because the map guy got rid and he stopped at the picnic halt and said, "All aboard." As he said, "Huh, Rheneas, my mommy now, the place about this." She always said, whenever things get too tough, throw in the towel. She always said, when things get too tough, throw in the towel. She always said, when things get too tough, what do? Quit. When they said, man forgot all about his boiler ache that he was suffering from. But that for I feel sick, he replied back. I knew it, you big dump engine. You didn't throw in the towel like my mommy always told me. Even though I feel very sharp pain in my system. You know what my brother did once when he did that? What? Throw in the towel? Nope. Even though he... But I know it's getting harder and harder to maintain things. Try impossible. My mom always told me to But I don't want to throw in the towel. I know that you did it when the I don't want to throw in the towel. That's your point. My mommy was a quitter. That's the problem. Or rheneas, the engine that never quits. How about that? Either rheneas priams or rheneas, the engine that never quits. Either one is going to be the episode name. What just happened? rheneas, what? Your train fell off the rails. How bad is it, driver? Well, bad enough that... Well, well, now do you want to throw in the towel? Well, said the driver in a loud voice. No? There's no other option. We have to throw in the towel. Well, I never quit. But there's no way to get around it. What? Your train is all off the rails. Do you want to now throw in the towel? And rheneas replied back, no, driver, I do not. But even with your current predicament, tell all my passengers just to walk home. Alright. And the passenger was like, right, rheneas, I told your passenger to get going. When they said, okay, even though it's easier if you just threw in the towel. And the driver literally said, it would have been easier if you just thrown in the towel. Well, like my mommy said, when will you learn? When? I never quit. You should quit. Learn sometime to throw in the towel. Well, and Renee's pastor was out waiting for another prank. And Renee was happy. Mr. Then Mr. Percival would like to see you. Because you told when the pastor that Renee should have thrown in the towel. Well, and that's not what Renee might do. Thomas, he might ever know, but we don't encourage that with our engines. You're fired. You're fired. Go wait over there for Henry. Because you're fired. And Renee, as the station master came up, sorry Renee. Yes? Look like we don't have another driver for you. You have to wait in the sheds until a new one comes. How am I going to move? I will get Garlowy to move you. Because until we can get everything sorted, Rheneas, you gallant old engine. You even after your plane fell off the rails, you didn't give up. And that's what I call a hero. Now I will go get Garlowy driver to tell him to get you right now. As the station master walked away, Rheneas felt at Rheneas. And also, if I ever remake an episode, so without the end credits, Rheneas felt really useful. The end.